Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website evermotion.org. So watch the full video. The website has domain authority 55 and page authority 53 and the website age is 17 years. To add backlink in this website, firstly go to Google and search EverMotion, then click on the link, then click on register. Then fill up everything. Put your email address, username, write a strong password. Again write your password. Verify the password. Then check this box, I am not a robot. Then check this box, I accept all. Then click on create account. Now your account is created, then send a verification email. So check your email and click on the link. Now your email is verified. Now log in, click here. Write your password. Then click on login. Now click in the right side in your username. Then click on your forum profile, manage profile, edit profile. Now scroll down. Here you can add your website link. Now click on save changes. This way you can add backlink in this website. The website has high DAPS, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. If you need any backlink service, then knock me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. You will find many backlink videos in my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. Thanks for watching the video. And if you need any backlink service, then knock me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the video description.